Hi everyone. If you find creating presentations time-consuming or a bit of a chore, I'll show you something today you might want to consider. Today in this video, I will talk about Gamma app. This tool makes the whole slide making process into something more fun, more creative, when you actually get the hang of it. This is not a sponsored video, so you know. If you find this video helpful, that's all it is. This Gamma app I'm going to show you today is something you might want to try it out on your own and see if you like it. Decide for yourself if you want to give it a try. Anyway, let's go to Gamma app website and start from there. Let's log in. I will log in using my Google account. Once logged in, dashboard opens to us. At the top right hand side, you will see how many credits you have available to you. Free Gamma plan gives you 400 monthly credits, which is plenty to explore its features and test whether it fits your needs. When we scroll a little bit down and look at the bottom left hand side, you will see something like settings and members. This is where you can explore plans if you want to upgrade. We are concerned with this Gammas tab. This tab will let us create and work on presentation slides. So let's click on Gammas. We will see Create New. Click on it. Once clicked, we see options to choose from. Paste in text, something we will do later. Generate, explore it on your own, but the line here says you can create with a prompt. Import file, something we will do right now. So let's import a file. I have one in PPTX format, PowerPoint, ready for the sake of this video. I will import the file from my computer. Here you can now manipulate your existing slides, add text, remove it, remove slides, add new slides. Now on the left hand side we have a menu where you can fine-tune further. So this part right here, amount of text, will control how much of text will be included on each slide. For example, minimum, only the key points, concise, detailed, adds more depth and explanations. Extensive, which is very comprehensive. Then we have right for here you specify your target audience. Gamma will adjust tone and vocabulary based on who you are presenting to. We have tone. This describes the mood and voice of your presentation. We have format. I will keep it at presentation, traditional. And we see at the very bottom, we see here numbers. It shows how much text length your project currently uses. Versus the maximum Gamma allows. So the total limit for the project is 50,000 tokens, and a token is a small unit of text, about 4 characters roughly. Okay, here I'm going to speed up a good deal and show you the result. And remember, first try is always something you want to continue fine-tuning. The goal of this video is to give you a quick look of this tool and show you how it works. It's up to you right now to decide if you want to try it. If you do try it, feel free to share your experience with me in the comments. I'd like to hear from you. And by the way, subscribe to my channel so we stay connected. Until next time.